Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use TradingView with Webull. First, open TradingView and set up a clear chart with your indicators and timeframes, then sign into Webull and arrange a matching chart workspace. Next, pick the symbol you want to monitor and decide which timeframe to use for sync. Prepare any watch lists you need and keep both platforms visible side by side for the next steps. Now we focus on syncing symbols and timeframes to create one cohesive workflow. Add the exact ticker to your TradingView chart and to your Webull watch list so you can jump between them quickly. Keep the same timeframe on both platforms to prevent misreads when analyzing price action. If you change symbols in TradingView, manually refresh or click the Webull ticker so both displays show the same market snapshot for accurate decisions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the O'Ala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long trading sessions and fits neatly beside your keyboard, making breaks easier to remember. I find it handy when monitoring multiple charts and executing orders. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Here are practical ways to use TradingView tools while trading on Webull. Match indicator inputs between platforms so your signals align, and consider taking screenshots or exporting small data snippets from TradingView for record keeping. Use TradingView alerts to notify you of setups, then execute orders on Webull where fills occur. This workflow keeps analysis and execution distinct but synchronized, helping you act on setups without losing chart fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.